Anthony, was there already this kind of geopolitical risk built into the oil market? I hadn't thought so.
Good morning, Vani. Yeah, well, we do see a very little reaction in the market at all today, but we did see kind of a run-up on Friday, kind of in expectation that something was going to happen. Some traders already taking bets that there would be some reaction and being a little bit nervous. A lot of the analysts that we're hearing from over the weekend had been saying that there was about a $5 to $10 risk premium in prices already, and we did see a run-up to the 90s. So far this month. So there has been some risk premium put into oil, some discounting for the fact that there would be something happening and some kind of reaction after that initial Israeli attack at the start of the month on that Iranian embassy compound in Syria. So there was some expectation there. There's also a lot of fundamental basis for stronger oil in terms of some demand that's higher than expected. On the flip side of that, we do have a good amount of supply in the market, and that's one of those things that's keeping a lid on prices today, I think, Vani. The fact that there is that additional supply in the market, until that's really affected, we're not going to see that run up in prices yet, Vani.
It's interesting, though, isn't it, Anthony, because with Saturday night, Sunday morning's attack, Iran did take this war out of the shadows. Does that make it more likely that we'll see volatility and the potential for, tit for tats in the future? Maybe not, immediately, but in the future, or less likely because now if it returns this war to the shadows, well, then it's gone away for a while.
Yeah, I mean, these are two instances that are big escalations. When we see Israel and Iran taking direct action against one another, that is moving it beyond that kind of proxy war that we'd seen so far, where Iran was using other groups like Hamas, Hezbollah, the Houthis, militias in Syria or Iraq, and Israel, and in some cases even the U.S., were hitting those groups. So this is that first direct confrontation, which is a big geopolitical escalation. However, with the Iranians saying they think it's completed, with the Israelis declaring victory, and with the Western countries, yes, backing Israel, but not backing Israel to really retaliate in any significant way, all the parties are seeming to try to draw a line under this and put a stop to it. And again, the real risk there is if we do see something impacting oil flows out of the Persian Gulf through the Strait of Hormuz. That's an area that would affect Saudi exports, but would also affect Iranian exports. So there is a limited willingness so far to go down that road. But if Iran feels that its back is up against the wall, it could take that step. And that's what traders are really watching, and that's the sign that traders are really looking for in the market before they start that run up in prices and to take those higher bets, Vani.